One of Tucson's most iconic furniture stores that suddenly shut down last year is now facing a lawsuit. Many of its former customers tell the N4T Tucson investigators that they were left with worthless warranties and in some cases without furniture they paid for. But their concerns are not what will be heard inside the courtroom, at least for now. N4T Tucson's chief investigative reporter Chorus Nylander explains in tonight's N4T Tucson investigation.
Well, as you can see here behind me, the sign's gone, everything's been removed. This was an Ashley furniture store operated by Sam Levitz Furniture for years, where many people came to get their furniture. The first lawsuit since Sam Levitz closed is now coming from this building's landlord.
You know, as a consumer, you feel like they should be doing the right thing and the honest thing. And it almost seemed like they're just, trying to get out of Dodge and not have to pay anything, and hopefully it all goes away.
John Williams is just one of dozens of former Sam Levitz customers that had unfinished business with the company when it suddenly closed its doors back in December. He bought a large $8,000 couch he never received.
The whole entire time we had to purchase another couch out of pocket that we weren't expecting to have to pay, and we still don't have our couch, and they never refunded us the money.
He is hoping to see a class action lawsuit on behalf of customers like himself soon. So far, that hasn't happened.
Something to get a collective something from somebody.
This lawsuit against Sam Levitz is giving him hope that customers may soon get their day in court. The lawsuit was filed December 30th by a collective of Delaware-based companies that own the Oro Valley Marketplace, where Sam Levitz had operated the Ashley Furniture store since 2019. The store now shuttered along with the other Sam Levitz locations. The lawsuit accuses Sam Levitz of breach of contract and personal guarantee. The lease was to last through June 2036. Per the agreement, vacating the property would be a default on the lease agreement. They didn't let the landlord know they would be closing down, according to the lawsuit. The landlord further accuses Sam Levitz of failing to pay its rent, which according to the lease agreement, Sam Levitz was paying a rate just under $60,000 per month. But the customer's day in court may not come as easily.
What do you feel these customers could do? Is there any case that they would have?
That's hard to say, without talking to each individual person and understanding what each individual circumstance is.
Louis Fidel is an experienced attorney in Pima County. He says each customer could try consulting their own civil attorney, but what might happen is an attorney would see the many similar claims against the same company and start a class action lawsuit.
If there are so many people that it's impractical to deal with each claim individually and to just join the individual claims together.
Fidel says it can be a lengthy process.
You want to gather sufficient factual information and get all your legal ducks in a row before you file a lawsuit, and often that takes time.
Williams says he's willing to wait, even if it means years before he sees a day of judgment.
Something's better than nothing, and if it takes years, it takes years.
And for months now, we've requested comment from Sam Levitz himself and representatives of his company. We have received no response. Reporting from Oro Valley, Chorus Nylander, N4T Tucson.